The nuclear deterrent, because that always calms everything right now.
Remind me again how you made your fortune, Stone.
I'm sure if you still made weapons starting in 19.
Wait, hold on. How was the smell about me?
Isn't everything?
I thought humans were more evolved than this. Excuse me, did we come to your planet and blow stuff up? Since you're champion.
You're not my
It was really that naive. Shield monitors potential threats.
Captain America is on the threat
We
wall.
all are.